Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello Mister, my name is Lucky Ramadan Rizky Dijaya from Technical Engineering E. On this occasion, allow me to present the result of my research entitled Raw Copy Breaker Machine Planning. What the raw copy breaker machine planning? Next, abstract. This raw copy bean crusher is an alternative equipment to support the agricultural industry, especially small farmer in rural areas. This machine used to crushing roller that have the same diameter with the different rotation. Basically, the splitting process occurs due to friction between two rubber coated rollers with dry copy bean skins, which will cause pressure and friction on the dry copy skin so that the copy beans will be left behind the same skin. From the results of the calculation of two crushing rollers, it is about 3 4 layers of copy beans, and to get how many copy beans it is multiplied by 18 to get around 628 copy beans for the 11 rpm roller rotation multiplied by the calculation result of 6,600 to 28 grains per minute. It is obtained by 6,908 grains per minute. From the result of weighting in the file, 1 kilogram of dry copy bean is about 1,750 grains from the calculation of the capacity obtained by 39 kilogram per minute. The result is the division between grains per minute 1 kilogram of dry copy beans. Next, background. Today, the development of the world of the technology is growing rapidly. Technology competition is increasing. We can find this competition in big cities, such as factories and entrepreneurs. The increasing purchasing power of the people is also one of the factors that make competition more intense. This encourages technology experts to compete to produce new products. And when we talk about technology, then we must also talk about commodities, because these two things support each other in their progress. To process one commodity material into goods that are ready to be traded, we need a lot of processing machine. So commodity coffee is one of the developing commodities. However, many coffee entrepreneurs in remote areas have problems increase their business due to the lack of tools of support business smoothness. Remove the coffee producing areas. Currently, they still use manual tools for processing. The most difficult and time-consuming process in the processing system is breaking the coffee. Next, physical property of raw coffee seeds. Dry coffee series generally contain 2 seeds, but sometimes they contain only one. In the first case, the seed have a flat plant, seedly belly, and convex plant, seeds right. In the second possibility, the shape of the seed elliptical. The beans are usually called lanang kopi, male kopi, or round kopi. Raw or dry coffee beans in each sides of the beans are of different diameter, and inside the beans there is a moisture content and beans contain solids. Next, braking process. In this braking process, the process used to crushing rollers where the rollers are coated with a rubber that is not too thick, so that in the process of braking the coffee beans can grip the rollers and the coffee beans really is easily due to pressure from the two rubber rollers. Next, frame. What is the frame? The frame in this design is a holder for flashing components with equipment such as electronic motor, roller coupling cylinder, and others. In addition, it is necessary to reduce vibration that arise as a result of moving components. In this plan, the frame is made profile steel except for the supporting pillars of the bearing housing, which are made of 5 triangle plates. The profiles used are isocless angle steel profiles and non-isocless angle steel profiles. Next, shaft. What is the shaft? Shaft is one of the most important part of every engine. Almost all engineers transmit power along with rotation. In this case, the main role in such transmission is held by the shaft. Power is transmitted to this shaft through the P-belt pulley. Next, gear wheel. The transmission system contained in this crusher is a working unit of the gears, called a gear because the tooth is the toothed. So it is useful for transmitting large enough power with constant rotation that cannot be done with ordinary wheels, friction wheel. Because the gear is toothed around it can support the two interlocking wheels. In addition to the use of gears in the transmission coupled with the use of a P-belt. Next, peg. What is a peg? A peg is a machine element that is used to pick machine parts such as gears, sprockets, pulley, clutch, and others. Bearing. Bearing are machine elements that support the load shaft, so that rotation or alternating friction takes place smoothly, safely, and has long life. Bearing must start the knob to allow the shaft and engine elements to work properly. Bearing is the foundation. If doesn't work well, then the other machine elements will not work well. 1. The basic of the movement of bearing against the shaft. A. Gliding bearing. In this bearing, sliding friction occurs between the shaft and the bearing because the surface of the shaft is supported by the bearing surface by means of a layer of lubricant. B. Rolling bearings. In this bearing, there is rolling friction between the rotation and stationary parts through rolling elements such as balls, ballets, needle rolls, and special rolls. 2. On the basis of the direction of the load on the shaft. A. Radial bearing. The direction of the load supported by this bearing is perpendicular to the axis of the shaft. B. Radial bearing. The direction of the bearing load is parallel to the axis of the shaft. C. Special rolling bearings. This bearing can support a load that is parallel to and perpendicular to the axis of the shaft. Next, pulley. Pulley friction to transmit rotational power one shaft to another with the help of P-belt. The ratio of the pulley span is very dependent on the size of the diameter of driving pulley with the diameter of the pulley being driven. pulley can be made of cast iron, iron plate, and other. In the design of the machine using the pulley, for the size of the first and second pulley, the diameters are different, which aim to produce the expected speed ratio. In the design of this machine using two pulleys, for the size of the first and second pulley, the diameters are different, which aims to produce the expected speed ratio. Next, P-belt. What is the P-belt? P-belt is made of rubber and having a trapezoidal cross section. Woven trotton or the like are used as the core of the belt to carry heavy loads. This belt is wrapped around the P-shaped groove of the pulley. The part of the belt that is being wrapped around with the pulley exercise a bend so that the inner width will increase. The frictional force will also increase due to the influence of the wedge shape. In this case, it will produce a large power at relatively high tension. This law is the advantage of the P-belt compared to the flat belt. Next, conclusion. From the planning analysis of this raw coffee bean crusher, the following conclusions can be drawn. In this design, we use two crushing rollers that have the same rotation with the direction of rotation opposite to the other. 2. In the result of the stripping process, solving this support is less than satisfactory, which is the shape. The coffee beans themselves are not the same. Then the process of breaking its peeled from the skin is not perfect. 3. The process of making this coffee bean crusher is relatively easy because the planning of this crusher is made relatively simple and use common materials and is often used in planning. 4. This peeler machine can peel brick various size. To obtain the desired stripping result, we can adjust the stripping roller with adjusting bolts. Okay, Mister. Thanks for your attention. Sorry if I wrong. Sorry if there is a wrong word. I hope you understand. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.